Bakwena is more than just a toll road. We are a caring and responsible toll road concessionaire. We pride ourselves in providing safety and convenience to all our road users. Bakwena as a toll concessionaire is responsible for the financing, the operations, the management, and the maintenance of the N1 and N4 corridor. The N1 corridor under Bakwena is from Pretoria, Proof Plus Interchange, northwards to Bela Interchange, and on the N4 from Pretoria to the Botswana border, a total length of 385 kilometers. We pride ourselves on economic development and social upliftment of all communities along our route. We uplift communities through our corporate social investment strategy. At Bakwena, our CSI focus has 4 pillars or 4 focus areas, namely road safety, health, environment and heritage, as well as socio-economic development. All our CSI community programs are based on a culture of partnership and trust which has been formed between Bakwena, the community members and stakeholders such as government, private sector entities and NGOs. Our varied programs are aimed at making a meaningful impact on the lives of people in communities along the routes we operate, whether be it educating children on road safety, programs raising awareness for environmental heritage, eye testing, or the promotion of cancer awareness, encouraging entrepreneurship, or even promoting cultural and sporting events. While we believe we have a responsibility to build, maintain, and operate the toll road, we equally believe we have the responsibility to improve the lives of people living in communities along our route.
Bakwena said that they would like to build a legacy while working on the road. In a roads project, there's only a certain amount of jobs available while building a road. And then Bakwena said, but we want to do more than only giving people jobs.
One of our CSI flagship projects is the ABCD project in Rustenburg. ABCD is short for Asset-Based Community Development.
And it's a revolutionary type of process where we get people, unemployed youth in communities, to actually take part in a process where they can discover themselves and discover their talents and assets that they have in the community. And that's where we came in. The selection and recruitment of the people, unemployed youth, was our criteria that we used. And it was amazing to see how many people came on board and loved to be the champion of their area. So we had 5 different wards that we've selected on the road. We had 15 champions. We are excited to say that 2 of those champions got other work because of the skills that they could put on their CVs now. And this is what we want to do, is to create a career path for these people so that they can actually bring in some income in their own households, but also to develop them so that they can become entrepreneurs.
My name is Mgabisi and my surname is Mangunjwan. I'm from Ward 32. I became involved in this project last year. I saw the post and then I applied online. Then they called me for an interview. ABCD project, which is Assets-Based Community Development. So this project is about improving the community standard of living. It even helps us to know what we have in order to do what we want to do. I've decided to start with a small garden. As you see here, this is my small garden. I didn't spend a lot of money in order to do this garden. I just used plus minus 20 rand just to buy the seeds. And then I planted the seed. As you see now, the carrot is growing. So I keep on telling the others what they can do in order to change their lives, as I did.
It was a simple vegetable garden, small patch. And I thought, how can a small patch of vegetable garden make this big difference? And because of this small vegetable patch that he had in his garden, his neighbor started with something, and then their neighbor started. And I think that is where the food security of this project is going to start, is to empower people to actually eat what they grow. And this is what the ABCD process does, is to give people the opportunity to really discover who they are, so that we can develop their skills and knowledge and attitude into something that they didn't even think about.
What's exciting about this ABCD project in Rustenburg is that in March, when the lockdown was announced, we were wondering what we were going to do with this program, with these champions, and how are we going to keep it going. But the champions really amazed us, and they started things that we were not even aware could be done. And through this period, we've even learned a lot from them. It became more about the communities than themselves. For us at Bakwena, we believe that it's a journey that matters, and we're committed to making a difference every kilometer of the route.